Another install day, guys. Another install day. We're doing a Lexus RC series, and we're installing an Axleback. Right there. This is what we're working with. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's 6 in total of these exhaust mounts that we have to take off. They're rubber. I already sprayed it with double D40, so it should be fine. The exhaust is still a little hot, but manageable.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. This is Nick, by the way. What's up? What's up? By the way, he wraps cars, so if you guys need wraps in around the Bay Area, hit him up. Spring loaded. I hate the spring loaded fucking bolts.
Oh, yeah, honestly, they're not too bad.
So it doesn't come with hardware?
I don't know. Just to make sure.
I'm checking.
Maybe I'm tripping.
Fuck, it looks like it doesn't.
This trips me out. It doesn't make like that clicking sound when you.
Yeah, I know it doesn't. You know where I got those tools from?
Where?
A construction site.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Alright, so this is the spring nut right here. On the stock pipe, there's actually a fixed nut that's fucking welded into the pipe. So we had to come up with something. I found these nuts right here. Ha, these nuts.
These nuts?
They actually fit the spring-loaded bolts perfectly. They thread. So we don't need to go to like any AutoZone or Home Depot and steal nuts, you know. Perfect.
Alright, here's another one. You probably need to pull it, huh?
Let's see.
Yeah, we need to pull it. And then just use like your thumb or something, kind of like fingers, kind of like. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yes. And then get the other one out, so that way, the other side.
Oh yeah. The other side.
Yeah, I'm holding it. We're good. We're good. That one's kind of hard, huh?
Actually, no. This one's easy. It's already like halfway out.
Oh, that. All right. Be careful.
There we go.
Put my hand.
All right, got it. Oh, hold on.
This is some TJ Hunt like muff exhaust install shit.
It's caught on with the exhaust tip.
Oh. So you trying to get that top one off?
No. I'm trying to move it.
Oh.
There we go. Okay.
Okay, I'm holding it.
There we go.
Okay, that's one down.
We got the 2 pipes off, the mufflers. Now put on the new ones. It's a dual tip on each side, so it's gonna have that quad tip look.
You're gonna feel how light these are too. It's fucking crazy.
It's light.
Yeah, you gonna feel original.
Oh yeah, that is light. It's not titanium, is it?
Nah, stainless steel.
I mean, the stainless steel.
Here, put it over here. Let me get a picture of both of the exhaust for TV. Hey, is that Hardwood? Or guys, does he actually collect Hardwoods?
No, I think he does.
Alright, how are we gonna do this?
Oh.
Should we? I think we should get these on this exhaust.
Yeah, we get that hanger first.
This one.
I think that's in.
Can't see it.
Yeah, it's in. It's in.
Okay.
Alright, they're both in.
Dude, this is easy as fuck.
I know. Alright, they're both in.
Okay. There we
There we go. It's that tray.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, we can always start it up and find out.
Yep. Alright, let's start it up again. This side took it.
Go ahead.
Let's see. like these 4-cylinders, like when you rev it, it like hangs. It hangs for a little bit. You know how
Yeah.
Fender X's have like rev hang?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of sounds like that. Nice. Cool. We got it done in. How long has it been? It's been 52 minutes.
52 minutes, actually not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, so it's not high pitch.
It's not high pitch, no.
Oh, fuck yes.
Yeah.
I'm so anxious.
Yeah. But it looks nice though. The clutches look good.
Alright, we did it, guys. Exhaust is finally on. It sounds really nice. Not bad. RC300. Thanks guys for watching the install. I'll catch you guys in the next video.